Nobody's gonna buy your course, digital product, physical product, even your coaching, if your socials are not cleaned up. If they look like spam, if it's a whole bunch of graphics of your product, if your highlight of 2005, and if they can't see your profile photo, forget about the sale. So in this video, I'm gonna tell you the 4 things that you need to clean up ASAP in order for you to start making the sale. This is actually part of my rebrand. I mean more of a personal / business rebrand, not necessarily the logo and all of that. Over on TikTok, I'm doing a rebrand, reset, revive challenge. It is 30 days of pretty much cleaning up your entire life. And cleaning up your socials is one of those days. It's a given, a clear photo. Okay, so that's just number 1. I know it's basic. Go take a photo of yourself. Even if it's on a white background, we want to see your pretty face. People want to know who they're talking to. I've pretty much had the same photo for like 3 years and I know I'm due for a new one. When I do take that cute profile picture, I will distribute it through all of my social medias. That way, if they do find me on TikTok, they can find me on Instagram. Number 2 is your highlight. Remember that your highlights are going to be the very first thing that people click on so they can get to know you. So I know I have an emotional highlight, which is my kid. I cannot delete Malia's little highlight. But here's the thing. I'm not going to have 79 million highlights. If you want to do it, keep it. That's great. But in my opinion, it's like, for what? You can only see the first 5 anyway. I think that Malia's is like the 6th or 7th. So those last 2, it doesn't even really matter if they're there. Who is actually scrolling all the way? Have a highlight for who you are, what you do, who you help, some type of testimonial, and something about you. Obviously, if you are more the influencer route, you'll have your links and all that stuff. Or maybe you can have like certain events like November, December, things like that. I'm talking if you're a course creator, digital product seller, coach, all that jazz. Number 3, it's not really your social media, but it goes with it, which is the link in your description. Clean it up. What offers don't even work? You don't even know how many times I go to people's links. The first 3 links don't even work. Their stand store is not paid for. Their website is expired. Like, that's embarrassing. In my opinion, again, as a consumer, I feel like you don't take your business serious. And 100% I'm not buying from you. If you're my friend, I'll tell you like, hey, listen, your link isn't working. But in my head, I'm like, why do you not know that your link is not working? That means that you're not working your business. Within that link in your description, put the main offer at the tippy top. People will find the free download. People will find the free whatever you're offering. Even if it's a small offer, my Rebrand, Reset, Revive ebook, it's $44. Or sometimes I have my coaching link up there. Or sometimes I have my hair care product in there, depending on what I'm offering that week / month. Number 4, your pinned video or reel. You don't have to have every single one pinned, or you can have every single one pinned. Usually I like to pin 2 just so like my latest reel can be on that 3rd square. But are we still pinning your most viral video? For what? Let's pin something that either talks about you, talks about your story, talks about your current offer, maybe a before and after of your client, something that's valuable. You only get a few seconds to reach your ideal client. Okay, I know I said 4, but let me give you another tip. Can we clean up your feed? Your feed is the pictures and the photos and the reels that you're posting that are not super spam. I know that you don't, but just in case, you don't have to put commercials of what you're selling. You can make a reel instead. Like if you have an ebook, an idea that I love to do, I love to print out my actual ebook and like make content with it, or maybe like a super cute little layout. If you want to do that, maybe that's not your thing. A face to camera video. People don't really like commercials like that. Maybe like a UGC video of your own product would be better, but let's just clean it up. We don't need a photo of your cat. I'm talking to business owners. Nobody really cares about your cat unless they're like part of an analogy or a story that you're saying. Put them up on your story, talk about how cute they are, but on your feed, it's so much real estate. Like that's like your curb appeal. Let's treat our feed that way. This is just a quick reminder that our social media is our curb appeal that brings in our ideal client. And it's going to determine like if they like us and they're like, oh my gosh, she's super cute. Oh my gosh, I love the way that he talks. He's motivating. She's super girly. Whatever they're going to say about us and be attracted by is going to determine if they're going to buy or not. Maybe not right away, but how are they going to buy from us if they don't follow us, like us, especially if you're trying to attract your ideal client? If you want to completely rebrand, reset your life and business, make sure to grab that ebook during this winter arc time, and I'll see you in the next video.